Cooking apa?
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today Appa is cooking mee sua, and it will be 姜酒面线. Jiang meaning ginger, 酒 meaning rice wine, 鸡 meaning chicken. 面线 is mee sua. Okay, so this dish is super easy. Let's quickly take a look at the ingredient. Of course, you will need some 面线, yeah, mee sua here. Then I have some chicken. This is a lot of old ginger, and I soaked some goji berries, and I have rice wine, hot water, my cooking appa chicken stock powder, and sesame oil. Right, prepare a wok. We are going to make the jiangjiu first, ginger chicken. Give it a little bit of vegetable oil, mixed with some sesame oil. Yeah, sesame oil is important in this dish, but don't use pure sesame oil by itself, because pure sesame oil, if you just by itself, if you after heating up, it can actually get bitter quite easily. So always mix it with some vegetable oil, dilute it a little bit. Still, it's going to be very fragrant. So once it is heated up, put in all the ginger slices. We want to saute this for a minute or two before we continue. We come back shortly. This is coming to about 2 minutes. You can see the ginger has started to brown. This is the time where you can put in the chicken. You can marinate the chicken with a little bit of salt, yeah? Let me check the focus. Let's try to fry out some chicken fat. So this is after about 2 minutes, stir frying the chicken together with the ginger. Next thing, give it some rice wine. I also don't know why usually they will use white rice wine in this dish. Anyone know why instead of the yellow rice wine? Then let's add some water, because later this is going to be, I need some soup, some broth for the mee sua, yeah? So I put in quite about 1 liter of water also here to make about 3 bowls of mee sua. All right. Now we can give it some seasoning. Cooking appa chicken stock powder. Those interested, you can get it from Shopee Malaysia or Shopee Singapore or any Vietnamese restaurant throughout the whole Malaysia. Oh, now you can get it from YouTube. YouTube, you can see my link there. Yeah, you can get it from Shopee. I'm going to put in about 1 teaspoon of fine salt. Next thing is optional. I will put in a little bit of rock sugar. This is totally optional. Let's bring this to a boil. So once it is boiling, you can cover it with a lid if you like. Yeah, up to you. I'm going to tune down to medium low fire to cook this for at least about 15 minutes. Yeah. So this is after about 15 minutes. Oh. Look at the beautiful yellow chicken fat. So you can adjust the taste to your preference. Some people don't even add any salt and sugar. Seriously, it's up to you. You decide how you want to have it, okay? It's basically done. Now we need to go and blanch the mee sua. So prepare a pot of boiling water. Put in the mee sua. My mom used to cook mee sua quite often when she was still around, but I seldom cook mee sua. Maybe I should cook more. According to the packing, you need to blanch it for about 3 minutes. If you are eating it with a soup, If you want to stir fry, you blend for 1 minute. So always refer back to the packing. Right, this is coming to close to 2.5, 3 minutes. Good enough. I'm going to, just now I tried a little bit, so I know it's good enough. So this is 2 pieces actually. Some mee sua is very, very salty, but this one is not. Probably depends on how they make it, yeah? So I have the chicken and soup and also the mee sua here. Let me do one bowl first. Let me give it a little bit more soup. Not done yet. Give me some soaked goji berries. A bit of white pepper. Extra touch of sesame oil, just a little bit. This is optional, huh? And also extra touch of some rice wine. Again, also optional. Alright, now it's done. So I hope you like my very simple 姜酒面线 video today. If you like my video, do share my video on Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.